my love. Uh, After a long time, I just thought I should do something related to fun, relaxation, and Ruhani, this is dedicated to you especially. I'd like to show you what is there in my dressing table. Also, I'm excited to show you all the collection of my bag, but I'll go for it one by one. I don't know, this might be the most unnecessary detailing for you, but I'm just excited to tell some details of the products, whatever I feel like are okay. Well, I don't know where to begin from, but I'm just so excited to show all that I am very fond of. Firstly, I'll begin probably with my most favorite lipstick and lip gloss that I got recently. I'm obsessed with Chamber these days. This is such a beautiful shade. This is Chamber Extreme Wear. Code is 483. This blush pink. So many people have asked about this shade. I'm wearing right now this pink only, and I'll show you how creamy and matte and so beautiful is this pink. And recently I also began to try eyeliner, and this Kajal Kajal cum eyeliner. This is multi-purpose, and this is also a smooth eye pencil in black dazzle shade. I don't know, I'm excited to try peacock green and some teal green and pale browns, but I think mostly black suits me the most, so I'm continuing with that. This is my most favorite ultimate lash mascara. This truly enhances my lashes. This is the thick texture that you can see. I'll probably post a picture in which I'm wearing this, and rest are some random makeup brushes. And this is one of my most favorite face mists that I got from Body Shop. It's so sweet and it doesn't harm animals. It is vegan and all is plant based. I'll show you from the closer view. This is so cute, so refreshing. And this is this brand is LDB. I got it from Helsingborg, Sweden, and I really love this. This is roll-on perfume. It smells so sweet. Sweet Pea and Silk is the name of the fragrance. Probably you can try. LDB is available in some of the good outlets like Habova if you're from Agra, but I don't know where else. Maybe in any random mall you can get, I think, whether it Delhi, Noida, Hyderabad. And this is pomade, and this one, I have to talk about this relaxing oil. If you just pour water and one drop of this, and this gives you perfume all the day and night. I really love this. This is so sweet. Lily is the flavor, fragrance. And this I tried. I wanted to try airbrush effect in foundation, and this says the shade is nude. I'll swap and show you. Although nude is not my shade, I realized much later. I think I should have taken something fairer. Look, this is quite thick in its texture and doesn't blend so well onto my skin. I think because of the shade. This is pomade. This is such a soothing balm. I tried so many lip balms. Ultimately, I'm fond of this one. And by the way, by saying lip balms, I'll show you what the lip balms I tried the most. This is again from the Body Shop, strawberry butter. This smells so sweet. Wow, it smells so sweet, like white candy. My pink favorite brush, and also I'll show you my butterfly brown brush. Another pomade. These are so beautiful brushes, all from, I don't even know how to spell this brand name, please forgive me. I can only show you the spelling. Wait, I'll show you. It is this one, Estee Lauder. I'm really sorry if I spell it wrong. This is such a beautiful cream. This is also from the same brand, and this is the set of brushes which are from the same brand. I have not explored, but I have to try. And this shade, which is so beautiful, I have to try. I have to experiment contouring also. I'm not done. I think this shade is so beautiful. There is subtle glitter also in this, if you can see the glitter here. This is so beautiful. And this is also another shade. This is for cheek highlight. I really love this shade. You must be thinking, why are my fingers so blue? I went to university today. There was a lot of written work, hence this is the result. And I felt so lazy to take bath again. And I'll show you my favorite clutches. This is the line that I love to put. Most of my clutches are in the color pink, you can find. Okay, I'll show you my lipsticks. This shade is Hot Chili from Maybelline. This is one of my most favorite red shades. This is so beautiful. It gives me gorgeous look, not that bright red. By the way, speaking about bright red, I also have that. This is from L'Oreal and the shade is Flaming Kiss. This is that lovely Valentine kind of bright red. This is quite so tempting. And coming point, yeah, this one again. This is again from the brand I showed you, Estee Lauder, and this shade is 85 Rosa. As it sounds, it is so beautiful. Like recently, what are these favorite pinks these days? Dirty pink, nude pink, and mostly it matches with the shade Withered Rose. If you have explored only brand shopping that has that Withered Rose shade, see this is so beautiful. I'm loving this these days. It smells so nice, so delicious, I mean to say. Look at this small lipstick box. I got it from my aunt. She got it again from US. This is the lightest pink shade that I have in my collection. This is also so cute, nude. And mostly my lip balm collection, I'll just show you in brief, I'll not take much time. Again, Estee Lauder Pure Color. This is so sweet. And this is Baby Lips Winter Flush. Baby Lips color, and this color is, I think, cherry red. All the time, every single day, all the seasons, I need lip balm. I feel it's my permanent need. This is some random Candy Love. This is so cute. Oh, I didn't expect he writes the name also. Strawberry Matte Look. This is, I got this in offer. I don't know, it was Alia limited edition from Maybelline again. This is slightly in dark cherry maroonish lip shade. Now that's good, not although very good. And sometimes I mix with the other shades of lipsticks, like again this is Mion mascara. This I got from Sweden. There was a mall, I don't remember the name. So after buying, actually I got this when the light was quite golden like this, but the shade is quite bright and pinky when I saw it in the tube light. But I managed to mix and wear it with other colors that are dark. It gives beautiful subtle pink shade like I'm wearing right now. So this is one thing I like the most about it. And this is my green Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner eye pencil. I didn't try much. I think I should give it a shot. I'll post the pictures once I wear a lot of green. And then comes these these days when I was following Nykaa, in those days I found this Wadi lip balm, orange shade. This is renewal therapy. I'm seeing I mean, this is vegetarian also. I'm seeing slightly different smell and texture. I mean, it keeps changing. I think mostly because it is natural organic product, which is why it loses. But you know, the capacity of the product is quite still intact. It's so beautiful, and yeah, I hope it helps my lips. These are the random stuff I have for my Lakme rose powder with sunscreen. This is good. I mean, this smells so good also. This is quite luxurious, so as to speak. And I have to promote this, friends. If you have any problem related to sensitivity in skin, sunburn, any allergy, or any kind of pimple, recently I'm also healing from that. Dermo Calm is one amazing lotion you all should try. This has a calamine light liquid paraffin lotion. So basically this soothes. I got this from I got the suggestion from the doctor, but it has become a part of my everyday routine. I go out and I simply apply this. I feel irritation if I set some old things, like if I have any dust allergy, I immediately apply this. It is quite soothing. I was about to sneeze, sorry. Okay, and this is good. This is Techni Art Liss Control Hair Serum. I think 2 years ago I got my hair colored, and for that streaks that man suggested. I mean, right now you have visibly rough hair. Let's see how far it works. I stopped using that. I got a little bit of doubt that I was losing my original color after wearing this. It has strong chemicals, but still, see, in emergency, if you are partying, if you want to go out, you can use this. See, it immediately smoothens out. It doesn't feel oily also. It is good. It conditions quite well. I'm showing this as a genuine feedback to you. I'm in my worst possible condition right now, and this is as usual a very good one. It gives good coverage. I also tried both BB and CC. I am leaning more towards CC these days. It is giving good coverage. It acts as a sunscreen also. Peach milk. This is like age old one. My aunt used to use it when I was a kid. I remembered one day randomly I thought I should try this. Peach milk is so soft, and it's beautiful. I think it's in good price also these days. You should try if you have normal to dry skin. If you are having very dry skin, I think thicker lotions would help. Like, I'll show you something like this. This is so cute. This is again from Bath and Body Works. This is Winter Candy Apple. My aunt got it from the US. I had no idea where I could find all that in Agra. I think if you are from bigger cities, it's very easy for you to grab these. It's a good cream, body cream for peak winters. And this is one of the sweetest brands in Chandler. This is talcum powder in the perfume called Romantic. Again, I got it when I was in Vizag, Visakhapatnam. This is so beautiful. It gives me a lot of memories actually of Beach Road also. This is very sweet. And after a long time, I was back to so many older things that I used. Like, I wanted to try this Kesar face pack. Friends, if you have to give any feedback about this, please help me out. I never use this, but I want to check how it cleanses and lightens and protects. And next I got this beautiful cute loofah. It was free from I mean, it was Palmolive. I got a beautiful relaxing aromatherapy body wash. It was free with that. And this is, you can see the random stuff here. I'll show you my purse collection exclusively after the next video. Okay, I'll show you the top section. Okay, this section is my nail polish section, and also I would like to show you my most favorite perfumes here. Beginning with Color Bar, I am recently so obsessed with this brand. This is like shade Beaver 568. I'm diamond. If you can see my fingers, I'm continuously wearing this again and again. This is somewhat between the shade Almond and you can say nude pink. It is very subtle but very cool. And this is cute pink. This shade is Love Her Madly, shade 50 by Color Bar. It is in between this neon pink and strawberry pink. I really love this. And I've been to Miniso these days and I got this Pitura. This is beautiful lavender. It says grey violet. This is very subtle and decent. And this is bright blue. This color is blue agate or agate. This has this glitter, if you can see. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this nail polish these days. And also Juice and Lakme. I'm not showing everything, but I'll show you my favorites these days. This is again nude pink by Juice, Lakme Color Crush. This shade is, I don't know if it has the name, but it surely writes the number is 22. And again pale pink from Juice. This is so cute. I really love this. And this is my Fossil watch. I want to thank Rolly Didi. She gifted me this when I visited her home place in Pune. I really love this. Whenever I wear this, I totally remember you and you deserve to know it. And this one, this is from Michael Kors, and this is actually my accidental love. I tried buying one and that did not arrive. Club Factory did this mistake. It sent me some other model, but I'm loving this shade. This is not complete bright gold, you know, but it's a decent one. This I like so much. This is from Custom. I particularly like the shine of this belt and also these diamonds. This is a very cute one. Most of my clothes are pink, so this goes with almost every dress I wear. I really like this one. This sport watch is very old. I got it from local market almost 8 to 10 years ago and it's working perfectly. It shows the right directions also still. And what more is there? Yeah, I was continuing to show you the creams. This one I was talking about Bath and Body Works. This is also from Bath and Body Works. This is Ultra Shea Body Cream Sea Island Cotton. This smells very beautiful, subtle, aromatic, and both of these are for peak winters like we have it here in the north. It goes till -2 sometimes. It really works as good layer of protection. And if you can see these, I don't know if you can see this, I'll just okay, maybe I'll show after some time. I would like to show you my most favorite set of perfumes. This is from Lancome, and I once got 2 sets actually. I gave one to Ami, if you're watching this, and I kept one. This is one more set I ordered, and also it has all kinds of fragrances. Some, you know, some women like very strong fragrance like men's perfume, namely Eggs and other things, but in this there is a complete set of strong, mild, that fruity and that floral fragrance. You can see it says the best of the collection. The colors are also so gorgeous. And 2 more I have got again from this says Beyond Paradise. One is Knowing. You know, I got these from the collection set that my aunt gave from the US. I really never heard of these brands. Maybe these are very familiar to you, but they smell very strong and but good. This gives again strong. My most perfume, I mean most favorite perfume, I'm out of words when I talk about this, Momento. Actually, once I visited the shops of Ukraine. I was coming back from Sweden. In one, also at the airport, I went to Victoria Secret showroom. They were in huge discount. That time I was very confused. I was like, should I invest this much in this perfume? It was something like not exactly the Secret Angel, but one more was there. I was very confused. However, I did not take that. This one I found in a small shop. It was more of cosmetics and for parlor people. They're sending so many outlet like products, like wholesale shop. By chance I visited that in Vijayawada when I went to marriage, for your marriage, Vinny, if you know what I mean. I came that time, and this says Armaf. It totally smells like Secret Angel of Victoria's Secret. I was shocked. I mean, I was shocked, and I wanted to put it in the stock. I'm saying like stock and shock. This is Water Girl. I'm obsessed for vanilla actually. So vanilla twist and also caramel mixed with brown sugar. For the first time I heard about these flavors from Body Shop only in my childhood. And then after a lot of waiting and time in India, then we got this Water Girl. It says vanilla twist. Very sweet, irresistibly sweet. Vanilla is my most favorite. This again brings me back to my college days when I used this every day, and my friends would ask again for Pink Paradise, and but it changed the name into Pink Passion these days. Most unexpectedly I got here in Agra. I didn't expect this was like out of stock already. And this is my mini the cup. It's sitting in the mug. Okay, I'll keep you here for some time. This mug, I got it made when I went to Kailasgiri in Visakhapatnam. I have given him the best possible pictures. He edited and he made it like into the typical color, but still I love the final output of this. And these are my most favorite candles. It gives good feeling in the room. This is again a very sweet vanilla, and this says red berries and orchid scented candle. This is very beautiful. I really like this one. I don't know, I found it at home. Who got this, I don't know. This again smells, this smells like peony and lily flowers. It's a good mix, so beautiful. And this is my favorite frame. I don't know, I got it from one of my new friends I found when I visited Timarni in MP. There I got. And this is my salon representation. They are very cute. And then, oh, I forgot to show you my blush all day. Rose Marble is the shade. This is again from Estee Lauder. I'm very obsessed with this recently. It gives you good finish both for your cheeks, and sometimes this blush adds very good tint for your highlighting parts also, like the center of your nose and the chin. It gives that healthy look. And actually this section is my jewelry section. Once I sit down, I'll show you the bottom part of my dressing table and the rest. Before concluding, I'll once give a closer view of what is there on the top. This is to beat my summer, both the talcs and ponds, and this typical Nivea Men boring one. This is the dabba of Michael Kors I was talking about. This is a very sweet one that again I got from my aunt's home. You know, her house is like paradise. Whenever I used to visit, I just used to get. This is an old box that has a set of earrings in that. I'll show you, because I shifted those earrings into a box, which I usually put it in the bottom part of my dressing table. So once I go there, I'll show you. Stay tuned.